Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2012 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. The impedance looking into nodes 1 and 2 in the given circuit is the impedance between 1 and 2 nodes. So for a given circuit, if you want to calculate the impedance between any two nodes, the general procedure is nothing but you must apply a test voltage across those two nodes. That is, you must apply some test voltage. Let us assume it is Vx is going to be test signal voltage. If you apply this much voltage as Vx, how much current is going to be drawing from this voltage source, that is Ix. So the equivalent resistance impedance between R12 can be written as R12 is nothing but Vx by Ix. So you must apply a known voltage source across those two terminals, and then because of that voltage source definitely some current flows. What is the current drawing from the voltage source you must calculate, then getting the ratio of Vx by Ix, that is test voltage by drawn current from that source, that gives the effective impedance between those two nodes. So now if you are going to apply Vx, and let us assume Ix is going to be the current drawn from the Vx, by that time the ratio of Vx by Ix is nothing but the impedance looking into nodes 1 and 2. So we will draw an equivalent circuit like this. Okay, we will draw the two nodes like this. These are the two nodes. This is first node and it is second node. So between these two nodes, this is second node for example. So between these two nodes we are going to apply a test voltage source. Vx is going to be a test voltage source, and because of that one you are getting some test current, that is the current drawn from this voltage source is nothing but Ix. So this is 1 and it is 2 terminals. Okay, now connect all the other elements. Between 1 and 2 there is a resistor of 100 ohms. So first we will consider this one. There is a resistance of 100 ohms. That 100 ohms is going to be between 1 and 2. So this is what 100 ohm resistance. Next, between this one there is 1 kilo ohm and 9 kilo ohms, that is between 1 and 2. Between 1 and 2, 1 kilo ohm and 9 kilo ohms both are in series. So instead of these two things you can write a single resistor. In series resistances will be added, so that we are going in this way. There is a resistance whose value is nothing but 9 kilo ohms plus 1 kilo ohm, which is 10 kilo ohms between 1 and 2. Next, the only left over is nothing but 99 IB. It is between 1 and 2. If you check 19 IB, this is first node and the end of this one is nothing but second node. So there is a 99 IB, but the current is flowing from 2 to 1. So this is what the current node, this is what the current source between 1 and 2. So this is what equivalent circuit. The value of this one is nothing but 99 IB. Okay, now assume that one, this is the voltage what you are applying with Vx. So apply KCL at Vx. Apply KCL at Vx. Now apply KCL at Vx and try to find that value. So this is the circuit diagram redrawn, and the current flowing through 10 kilo ohms is nothing but IB. So this is IB value. So KCL at Vx will be giving like this. KCL at Vx is equal to, all incoming currents are positive, outgoing currents are negative. Okay, you think in that way. So that 99 IB mine, so incoming current is positive. So incoming current is nothing but 99 IB. Okay, it is incoming. Next, IB is the current plus IB. Next, current flowing through this one. If you are going in this one, this is the current Vx by 100 ohms. So this is minus Vx by 100, because current is flowing from more positive to less positive. So Vx will be positive and second is nothing but ground. So we are going with the current is flowing in this direction, Vx minus 0 divided by 100. Okay, next this will be plus Ix. Ix is incoming current is equal to 0. So from this one you can write it as 100 IB minus Vx by 100 plus Ix is equal to 0. We know that one, the impedance between 1 and 2 nodes is nothing but Vx by Ix. So there is one more parameter is Ib, you can remove, otherwise you have to write Ib in terms of Ix or Vx. So where Ib, you can write like this, where Ib is the current flowing through 10 kilo ohm resistance, that implies nothing but this can be written as minus Vx by 10k. Why I am writing minus? Because the current, if Vx is positive, current has to come in this way, but the Ib current is flowing in opposite direction, so that this implies nothing but minus Vx by 10k. Now substitute this Ib in the above equation. So from that one, 100 times of minus Vx divided by 10,000, 10k implies nothing but 10,000 minus Vx by 100 plus Ix is equal to 0. So 100 and this 100 will get cancels, 100, and over here you will get it as 100 minus Vx by 100 minus Vx by 100 minus Vx by 100 plus minus Vx by 100 plus Ix is equal to 0. So Vx by 100, Vx by 100 is nothing but it will become minus Vx by 50 minus Vx by 50. 2 by 100 is nothing but 50 plus Ix is equal to 0. And if you take this minus Vx that side, at that time it is Vx by 50. So from this one you can write it as Vx by Ix, which implies nothing but resistance between 1 and 2 nodes, that implies nothing but 50 ohms. So the impedance between impedance between nodes 1 and 2 is nothing but 50 ohms. That is the equivalent impedance between 1 and 2 for the given circuit. So the right answer for this question is A. 50 ohms is the right answer. Thank you.